Hello everyone, my name is candra.diningrat, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate about the subdivision modeling of Mercedes-Benz EQS with NX real shape. So let's jump to the video. And to begin with, I always start by creating the surface in the hood area, and I always start it by using the cage polyline, and then you can see I extrude it a little bit horizontally, and then I have prepared another cage polyline near the hood area and adjusting some cage vertices a little bit following my image, and then I connect them together using the loft gauge. And after this I extrude again this area a little bit, and then I drag it vertically, and using the same method I add another surface. And for this surface creation, for the arc wheel creation, I prepare 3 cage polyline here, 2 for my profile and 1 for my guide, and I create the surface using sweep gauge. And then for this creation, again I will use the cage polyline for my guide and adding more surface using sweep gauge. And for this one I'm gonna connect these two surfaces using sweep gauge, and do the same with this surface also. Then after this I'm gonna fill in using fill surface here and add another surface using sweep gauge. And I think I'm gonna delete all these surfaces. I don't need that, and I will get them after all completed. And here I want to add more surface using a loft gauge. Now I continue to add more surface here using the same method, which is sweep gauge, and also these surfaces. And I'm going to extrude this inward, and also for this surface. I didn't follow the raster image for this front bumper because I chose the wrong blueprint, but it's okay, just a little bit different. And I continue to add surface near this arc wheel using the sweep gauge, and then set the position a little bit and add more surface, again using the cage polyline and sweep gauge. And I create another cage polyline here at this side window, a side door, long cage polyline all the way to the back, and I got a surface like this, and I'm gonna split this surface and drag this so a little bit curvy, and then I'm gonna extrude this surface backward a little bit, and then I'm gonna split that the above surface, then I'm gonna fill in the surface between these two, and I'm gonna create another arc wheel, rear arc wheel here. Okay, drag it horizontally, and then create the arc wheel using sweep gauge, and then I'm going to connect these two using lock gauge, and also this one using sweep gauge, and then I'm going to split this surface using split face, and then I prepare another cage polyline here following the upper surface. Adjust it a little bit, and then create another surface using lock gauge, a sweep gauge. Okay, I add another surface here, just a little, and I'm gonna split this following the arc wheel so I can connect this together like this. So I'm gonna split this surface again to meet the minimum or the same amount of cage polyline. I'm gonna fill in using fill surface, and I'm gonna connect this and fill this big hole using sweep gauge, but I need to prepare my surface need to be ready. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is for the uh, a pillar creation. So again, I prepare two cage polyline for my guide, and I will use the sweep gauge for the surface creation. And for this one, using the same method, I prepare a little bit about the cage polyline, and I add more surface using sweep gauge, set the continuity, and add another cage polyline here, and adjusting some position with a different view. Okay, and I add another surface here using sweep gauge again, and for the rooftop using the same method. Prepare the cage polyline as needed and create the surface using sweep gauge. I need to adjust some point following the raster image and create the surface using sweep gauge. And I'm gonna add more surface in the back side using the same method, which is using the sweep gauge. And for the rooftop, I just need to extrude it inward and connect them together using silk gauge. So here I'm using the sweep gauge and connect them using silk gauge, and add another surface at the rooftop using the same method. Okay, it's a little bit messy here. I need to delete it and fill in the same fill surface. And I create another surface using the same method here, which is using this sweep gauge, and add another polyline here following my raster image, and add another surface using sweep gauge, and also using the same method for this area. Okay, I need to connect this and add and fill this using again using sweep gauge, and for also for this one. And for this one, okay, that's not good. I need to extrude it a little bit downward here, set the position, and then I can fill in using sweep gauge. And for this one also, I need to prepare some gauge polyline and create another surface using sweep gauge again. Okay, and for this one, I think I need to extrude it downward a little bit and connect them using sweep gauge, and set the position. I mean, add another cage polyline here, and add another surface using sweep gauge as well. And the rest is just uh, setting the position, and with additional detail, I've got all these surfaces you can see, and all these surfaces were created using the same method. Okay, and I need to add another detail. So this is just a, a main body, and for another creation, just using the same method. Okay, and with additional details, I've got the end result like this. And here for the backside, and also I've created some renders using NX renders, and you can see all these renders were created using NX renders. Of course, we're using the 3D model that I've created in the NX Realism. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.